About understanding multi-threading fundamentals. So what is multi-threading in Java? Multi-threading in Java is a process of executing multiple threads simultaneously. If we want to execute more than one thread at a particular time, then we use the concept of multi-threading. A thread is a lightweight sub-process or the smallest unit of processing. And multiprocessing and multithreading both are used to achieve the multitasking in Java. However, we use multithreading than multiprocessing because threads use a shared memory area. They don't allocate separate memory area, so it saves memory and time. And context switching between the thread takes less time than process. So by using the multi-threading, we can save both our memory and time. There are some advantages of Java multi-threading. The first one is it doesn't block the user because threads are independent and you can perform multiple operations at the same time. We all know that with the help of thread, we can perform multiple operations at the same time. And that's why it doesn't block the user. So it is useful for us. We can perform many operations together. So it also saves time. So this is the biggest advantage of using the multi-threading in Java. And the third one is threads are independent. So it doesn't affect other threads if an exception occur in a single thread. Let's discuss about what is multitasking in Java. Multitasking is a process of executing more than one task in a same time or simultaneously. We use multitasking to utilize the CPU. Multitasking can be achieved in two ways. First one is by using process-based multitasking, that is multiprocessing. And the second one is thread-based multitasking, that is multithreading. Let's discuss about the process-based multitasking or what is multiprocessing. We all know that each process has an address in memory or each process allocates a separate memory area. So that's why a process is a heavyweight. And the cost of communication between the process is also very high. So switching from one process to another requires some times for saving and loading registers, memory maps, updating lists, etc. Next is thread-based multitasking, or we can say that what is multi-threading. Thread shares the same address space, which makes it a lightweight. And one more thing is the cost of communication between the thread is also very low. So it is mainly because of the lightweight and costing is low. That's why it is preferred to use multi-threading. So these all are the concepts behind the multi-threading in Java. Thank you.